how when I don't have my employees paying attention, this is what I do. Look. Full payback, the line of respect. Did I tell you about the front teeth, right?
Yeah.
Looks more elegant, like more like beautiful, right? So I love it very much. Now remember, it's new. The body's new. The smile design is new. You need to do a little water and salt. Let the tissue incorporate itself.
Okay.
So when we see you next time to give you the retainers, be like, oh, adjust a little bit here, adjust a little bit there.
Okay.
We're gonna be fine. Everything looks spectacular. Well deserved.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I'm like peeling so bad. Oh my god, it's so different. It's so natural. But the peeling face, how nice.
You like it?
I love it. It's awesome.